Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been stuck trying to bring a PDF into Figma without messing with any plugins or third-party tools, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple process to import your PDF into Figma and actually make it editable, so you can use all those juicy bits of text and images directly in your designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be saving yourself a ton of time and avoiding plugin headaches for good. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is head to the main menu at the very top of your Figma workspace. You'll find this in the upper left, just that hamburger icon or Figma wordmark depending on your version. Click there and you'll get a drop-down full of options. We're looking for File, so go ahead and click on that. Now from the File menu, you'll get another list. This is where you'll find the option to start a new file. Choose New, and you'll immediately see a couple of choices. The one that matters to us today is FigJam. FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboard tool. It might look a little different from your usual Figma design canvas, but don't worry, it's perfect for what we need here. Once that brand new FigJam file opens, you'll notice it's a wide, open canvas, perfect for dropping in all sorts of content. Here comes the magic. You can just grab your PDF file and drag it right onto the FigJam window. Seriously, just drag and drop. Give it a moment. Depending on the size of your PDF, it may take a few seconds to upload and render in FigJam, so don't panic if it doesn't appear instantly. When your PDF loads, you'll see each page displayed, almost like you're flipping through a digital book. Now you might be wondering, what's the point? I need to use this PDF in my Figma design file, not just FigJam. Here's the trick. In FigJam, your PDF is now selectable. You can actually highlight the text or click on any of the images. Just use your mouse to select the part you want. Maybe it's a heading, a chunk of paragraph text, or even a logo, and copy it. You can use right-click and copy, or simply hit Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. If you want to grab multiple parts, just repeat this process as needed. Now let's jump back to your Figma design file, the real workspace where you're building out your project. If you don't already have your design file open, go ahead and open or create a new one. Once you're there, you're ready for the final step. Just paste. You'll see the content you just copied from FigJam pop right into your design canvas. It's really that easy. Text will remain as editable text, and most images will come in crisp and clear. This means you can immediately start tweaking typography, move elements around, or fit images perfectly within your layout, all without any extra conversions. And honestly, that's the whole process. No downloads, no plugins, no jumping through hoops. It's a neat workaround using just Figma's built-in features. If you hit any snags like a PDF that won't copy text cleanly, don't worry. It happens sometimes with scanned or image-based PDFs, but for most standard documents, this method works like a charm. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this quick tip helpful, give the video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or another Figma challenge you want solved, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.